Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a full day of eating with you. I follow an intermittent fasting kind of way of eating. I eat between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. and fast for the remainder, so I have a bit of a 16-8 routine happening. I'm about to make breakfast. We've been out and about the last few days and eating not very keto food, so I'm going to share a full day of keto. I'm going to have some keto meals today, and just you might get some ideas for some breakfast, lunches, dinners. Even though I kind of eat two big meals, you can eat them for any meal of the day, whatever you like. So I'm going to share that with you today. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you subscribe for more videos like this, and leave a like and a comment too. Let me know what you thought of this full day of eating, what you want to see in future videos, any other thoughts, comments you may have. But let's get on and make breakfast. Okay, so these are my breakfast essentials. Eggs, of course. I'm going to cook everything up in some beautiful Irish creamy butter. And look at these mushrooms I found yesterday at Tesco. 29 cents each. And yeah, reduced from 38. Still so cheap. And I've got a couple of garlic cloves. Where are they? There's some garlic cloves. I'm just going to have garlic, mushrooms, fried eggs. Made this breakfast heaps before, but just going to be a perfect keto big breakfast. The butter has melted in the frying pan. I've popped the mushrooms in. It's bright and sunny this morning in my kitchen. The butter's melted, mushrooms cooking. I'm going to add the garlic in a minute as well and just cook this until it's reduced down, browned, adding more butter, salt along the way as I need to, and just cook up some beautiful garlicky mushrooms. And it's almost done. Just added a bit more butter. Look at the buttery goodness, mushrooms, garlic. Such a yummy side for breakfast, and that will be done in about a minute, and then I'll move it off onto a plate and fry up some eggs. Mushrooms are out, fried eggs are in, 2 for me, 3 for hubby. It's so bright and shadowy in my kitchen. I will show you my finished breakfast plate when it's done. And that's my finished breakfast plate, hot and steamy. One egg had a little incident on the way to the plate, but I love it when it has crispy edges like that, and the garlicky mushrooms. It's just breakfast perfection. So I'm going to have breakfast, and I will catch up with you through the day as I have something to eat. And it's now the middle of the morning. That breakfast filled me up, and it's still going to be a while till my second big meal of the day. So I thought I'd have some strawberries and cream. And yes, you can definitely have strawberries on keto. I often get asked questions about it, but you can't go overboard. So that is 4 little tiny strawberries chopped up. If they're huge ones, I'll have 2 to 3 big strawberries, a generous swirl of whipped cream, and that's kind of the perfect keto snack, and will see me through until my next meal, which I will show you next. And for my second big meal of the day, I am simmering away some Silverside, corned beef Silverside. I've filmed a video before how I do this exactly. It's kind of been simmering away while I've been doing some work. It's almost ready, and I'm going to show you my big meal that I make from it. Okay, meat is cooked, and now I'm making cabbage. I decided to make purple cabbage because that's what I had in the fridge. I'm bubbling it up, and it's making this purple soupy kind of interesting colour, and so I'm just bubbling this up. My husband is slicing up the Silverside, and then I'm just going to make a big yummy keto platter. And this is my finished plate. We've got the Silverside over there sliced up. I've got the cabbage that I cooked. I cook it in the cooking water from the corned beef Silverside, and it comes up so flavorful and amazing. And we've got some red pepper too, and I've chosen to have sour cream with mine. My kids and husband like tomato sauce. You could have mayo, whatever you like, but that is my plate for my second big meal of the day. And that corned beef meal filled me up for the afternoon, and it's almost 4 o'clock, and I've made hot chocolate myself, my husband, my mum's visiting, so we've got a nice mug of hot chocolate for her. And that's kind of the end of my full day of eating that I'm going to share with you today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you've got any requests for future videos. I'm going to enjoy my Drama Llama mug full of this lovely hot chocolate, which will fill me up until tomorrow, and I will see you again soon. Bye.